morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hi. Very nice. Good morning to you. Did you have your cup of coffee today morning? Yeah, definitely. You would have. Sure, you would have taken your coffee. Okay. So today I've come here to tell you one of the topic. Like yesterday night when I heard when I saw the video of Sushant Singh Rajput, he has committed suicide, and after that I have really shaken up, because the thing is that I was a great follower of his acting and his cuteness and how handsome guy he was. I really loved him during my time. So during my management studies, his serial was coming, that is Pavitra Rista, and I was daily following his serial. I never missed an episode of him. So I was a serious follower of his acting. I loved him very much. So I was yesterday when I heard that he is no more, I was really shaken up. And today morning even I shaken up more when I heard that news that a guy from Parampur who was a BTech guy and he has committed suicide after Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide incident has been overcome. So I could not keep myself, and I thought of expressing my views to you people. So I came out with this video today. uh, before this 2 years, like during my management studies, I used to think that I'll become a motivational trainer or a speaker or a management trainee, something like that. But whatever happened, everything happened, I was not able to do it. But now I'm trying that I'll improve in my specialization. So I'm doing the same thing right now, and I've studied so many cases of depression. So this talk I will talk about depression. So I've specially made this video for the teenagers, those who are studying, those who are technically studying, or those who are plus 2 science, arts, commerce, or graduates or postgraduates, or they are in learning stage. For them I have prepared this video, so they are my target audience this time. So that is why even I'm telling it in English, because they'll be more comfortable with English, I think so. So before starting my topic, I would say that my Guruji is Srila Prabhupada, and I am a strict follower of Srila Prabhupada's teachings, and even I'm inspired by Gaur Gopal Das and Ramnath Swami also, because their motivational thinking, their thought process really touched my heart and changed my life as well. So today I'll talk about depression, and even I'll tell you one of the solution for it. It's a huge topic. I can't tell everything in one video only. I'll make parts of this video, but today I'll talk about only one solution for this depression. So before going for the solution of depression, let's discuss what depression is all about. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, that depression is a mental disorder. It's a We can say that it's a mental disorder as well as a mental disease. We have medicines for depression also. There are various doctors who are taking care of this disease. They are called as a psychiatrist. So it's a state. Depression is a state where a person feels that he's very empty from inside. No one is there to talk about. His problem has extended a lot, it has no solution. So in this state he thinks himself very lonely, and there are very physical symptoms also for this depression, that you won't feel sleep, or you'll sleep for a long time. You are not connected to the outer world. You remain limited to the internets, TVs, medias and all, but real interaction is demonizing nowadays. So we can say it's a state of mental disorder, it's a disease. And this disease also has a treatment. We can go near a psychiatrist where they can suggest us a medicine, and we need to talk with others, and we can minimize, we can't remove depression, but we can minimize depression. Okay, so in US it is found that millions of people undergo this depression. It's mostly in US, this depression is one of the greatest factor among the teenagers. So why nowadays teenagers are so empty stated of mind? Why these teenagers are only limited to mobiles, laptops, and this media? Why they are not physically interaction is why it is demonized. You can say for this also depression is expanding everywhere. I personally don't have any solution for it, but Srila Prabhupada says, or Gopal Das says, that we have a solution for the depression. So what is the solution for the depression? First thing is that, I'll tell you first solution, that we have to act in a selflessness manner. What is selflessness manner? Okay, now we'll understand what is selflessness manner. For the first example, I'll tell you, selflessness means don't only think about yourself. Keep yourself aside. Think about others also. Think about your near and dear ones also. And the second thing is that we'll act in a selflessness manner. How can we do that? First example is, we'll try to serve our near and dear ones in a selflessness manner. Second thing is that we can visit orphanage, we can visit old age homes, and we can try doing something for someone. This is what selflessness means. And third most important thing is that we should choose our guru. We can't be all alone of ourselves. Someone should be there up above us to whom we need to follow. Okay, so the third thing I want to tell is that every person should have its own guru. We should choose a guru for ourselves, to whom we can say our problems, express our problems. And fourth most important thing I want to tell is that never keep the problem with yourself. May the solution come or do not come, try to share it with others. There is no problem in this world which cannot be solved. Every problem has a solution. So we should keep in mind, we should not keep the problem within ourselves, we need to share with someone. So the four aspects that as I have talked about depression today is, first thing is that we have to be selflessness. Second thing is that we should act in a selflessness manner. Fourth thing is that we need to have a guru of our own. And fourth thing is that we will share all our problems that we are having in our life. So these are the basic things we need to overcome depression, and we'll try to overcome depression, and we can overcome depression. So this whatever I'm telling, I'm really shaken from inside. And when a young people kills himself, It is also a murder. You can't say that this is well and enough. You can't murder yourself. This is against the rules. This is also kind of murder you're doing to your body. So before taking such step, we should keep in mind that whatever problem we are facing in life, every problem has a solution. The thing is that we should think in a right way. We need to discuss with our near and dear ones, and we should take care of our near and dear ones. That's all. Thank you. Well, next I'll come with so many videos with this, and keep in touch with me. Come to my channel and subscribe my channel as well. My channel name is Chat with Banashri. Thank you.